Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I am extremely excited to be sharing my creativity with you all. I'm going to be doing some crochets, and of course we are starting off moisturizing the hair, and then I'm just going to blow dry her. And hey, crochets at any age. Stay tuned. So as you see, I did put some moisturizer on the hair, and I'm going to use this as a filler to protect and strengthen her natural hair. And here you're going to see I'm going to have her hold the base. And then from there, by her holding it, it won't cause that pulling of the skin, and that way no hair will be pulling out her follicle. It's very important to not braid the hair so tight. All you need to do is to get that braid in there so it is secure, because remember, you're going to go back in there with that crochet needle and you're going to be pulling it through, hooking and getting it going. So less tension the better. And here's a closer look at the hair. Shake and Go by Tress. It's called the Go-Go Curl, and it's a 12-inch. So here what I'm going to do is just start the basic crochet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the hook underneath the braid, hook it through, pull it up, pull the hair through the hole, crisscross it, pull the hair through the hole again for extra security, and then secure the knot. Smooth it out so that way there's no tangles. And also, to avoid any type of bulking and have so much hair in the head, I'm only using very little, and that's going to help the hair not unravel, because this hair is really shiny and silky. And so what I'm going to do here is also do like a finger width apart. That's a space I'm going to use, a finger width space. And I'm going to do the same thing. Pull the hook underneath, pull it through, pull the hair through the hole, crisscross, pull the hair through the hole again, crisscross, pull and secure. Smooth the hair down. Make sure there's no frizz or tangles. Now that opening where the finger is, I use that width. I am going to actually crochet on top of that. The braid up above is going to fill in that blank for me. And I'm going to do the same thing underneath, pull through, open, pull through, crisscross, pull through, crisscross, pull, and secure. And I'm basically going to do this all the way around until I get to the top. I'm going to do something a little bit different here. Now here, I'm still going to be doing the same method that I did before previously. And I'm going to speed it up here for you all. Okay, so we're almost finished and we made our way to the top. And here I'm going to do something just a little bit different. Basically the same thing. I'm going underneath the braid and I'm pulling the hair through. And I have that hole and I'm pulling the hair through that hole. And I'm still going to crisscross and crisscross. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hold that, pull, and then shimmy, 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 causing friction. And then laying it flat and smoothing it down. So when I'm doing that, I'm kind of rolling the hair left and right, and I'm causing a little bit of friction with that synthetic hair, and it's causing it to lock a little bit better. So here I'm going to do it again and try to give you guys some time to catch on. I'm going underneath the braid with my crochet needle. I'm going to pull that hair through, and through that opening that you see, I'm going to pull it through, crisscross, pull it through, crisscross, pull it through, and I'm going to hold it right there, and then I'm going to left, right, shimmy. It's kind of like I'm rolling it in between my thumb and my index finger. And do you see how secure that looks? So I'm going to go ahead and do this again, and what I'm going to do is I am going to do this all the way till I get to the top of the head. And when I get all the way to the opening, I'm going to take, of course, smaller pieces of hair, so that way it'll create a more natural look. Stay tuned.